Indian Navy is not a profession you are joining for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Whosoever joins, it is basically 95% people will minimum remain there for 20-25 years time. For a smart chap, for a good chap, for an adaptable chap, for a flexible chap, for a positive attitude chap, and with someone with the skills and capabilities, it doesn't take much time. As a commander, I had nothing to lose. The only thing I had to do was give it to the service, give it to the Navy, give it to the people who are looking forward to see that how do you clear the case. If you deliver, then you don't have to talk much. People will develop a faith for you. They'll just say, if he's there, don't worry, we don't have to look at that. When people like us are there, we leave our footprints which decide the destiny of that unit for not for a year, but for next 20 years, 30 years. I have been given the Scope Award by the President of India for the turnaround. I have got a CNC commendation. I have got a CNS commendation. I have got a Nausena medal from the President of India. I had my share of the awards, I can tell you. Indian Navy is a very fair service.